In the bustling heart of Victorian Scotland, a young boy named Alexander Graham Bell harbored a fascination not for toys, but for the intricate dance of sound. This early curiosity, nurtured by his elocutionist family, was the first whisper of a revolution. The Bell family's life was profoundly shaped by sound and its absence. Both his mother and later his wife were deaf, igniting in him a deep desire to bridge the chasm of silence. He became a passionate teacher of the deaf, pioneering visible speech, a system developed by his father. But his ambitions stretched beyond teaching. He dreamed of not just understanding sound, but transmitting it. The year is 1875. In a cramped Boston workshop, amidst a tangle of wires and the hum of electricity, Bell, with his brilliant assistant Thomas Watson, wrestled with the elusive concept of the harmonic telegraph. Day and night, they toiled, driven by an unshakable belief. Then, on a fateful day in March 1876, a mishap sparked a breakthrough. The words, though an accident, were clear. The telephone was born. The world was introduced to this marvel at the Philadelphia Centennial Exposition. Doubters became believers as the human voice, for the first time, traveled through thin copper wires. The age of instant communication has arrived. Bell's genius didn't end with the telephone. He continued to invent, driven by the same boundless curiosity that marked his childhood. From the photophone, which transmitted speech on a beam of light, to an early metal detector and an audiometer for detecting hearing problems. Alexander Graham Bell, the man who taught the world to talk, left behind not just an invention, but a legacy of relentless innovation and an unyielding belief in the power of connection. He truly gave the world a voice.